Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video we are going to share you another great project named Dexio Protocol, and the website link is dexioprotocol.com. As you know guys, there have been many scammers that daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Dexio Protocol is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only, not a financial advisor. So when you open this site Dexio Protocol, you can see home, about section, Dexi app, contact address, and here white paper, buy Dexi, and here you can see the teams. Here you can buy it on the PancakeSwap. Here you can see the introducing Dexio Protocol wallet. You can see the YouTube video of their token. Here you can buy this token on the P2P B2B, and here you can buy it on the PancakeSwap. Here you can join their Telegram group. Here you can see the PooCoin chart. Here you can see the BSC scan contract address. Here you can find the discover more option. Here you can meet their teams, and here you can see it is listed on the CoinMarketCap already. Here we can see more about the Dexio protocol, a new way of engagement. More people are learning about cryptocurrency every day. We are using cutting edge technology, making us a leader in the industry. You can see discover more here. Here you can see their wallet is being released on the iOS plus Android is coming soon. Here you can see what they do, introducing video you can see here. Here you can see the contract address, and if you go down you can find the network, and here you can see the tokenomics. Our network, and if you see the network, our development team is working on the release of the Dexio network. The Dexio network is going to be available to all of our token holders. By having access to the network, you will be able to vote through the Dexi app and have access to our AR bounties. Our AR bounties, also known as augmented reality bounties, will be powered by our stable network. Bounties, transactions, voting, and many more features will be available with the release of our network. Here if you see, there is tokenomics. The current tokenomics structure is 6% transaction fee, 3% to the liquidity pool at PancakeSwap, and 3% rewarded to their holders. The fee structure is specifically designed to both strengthen the token stability at the DEX as well as reward their holders for their investment. They had reserved the right to change this structure at any time by taking any number of actions, including but not limited to restarting the burn of tokens. Here you can see and adjusting holding rewards and LP injections. Here you can see the Dexio map for 2021. Their plans, you can see Smart Dexio network, exchange listing Cardano CLI. Our development team is awaiting the release of the Cardano Alonzo network. You can see this will bring the smart contract to the Cardano network. Once this is available, our development team will start developing on the Cardano network to explore its many possibilities. Here you can see their mobile app is also coming, NFT and marketing is also there. Huge marketing is there. Here you can see the creation of Dexio protocol reach. Here is the roadmap of this token, and all this you can see here. Here we can see their focus. Dexio protocol focuses on a certain key points. Read more about these key points in their white paper. Here you can see the protection. A secure token as a secure network. Dexio protocol is more than just a token, it's a protocol. Token bounties you can find here are augmented reality. Dexi Hunters application will make earning crypto bounties a more rewarding experience. An important aspect of the Dexi ethos is improved engagement through interactive processes. Here is the white paper of this token. It is of 21 pages, so you can get all the information of the site on this white paper. If you want to see, you can see this all. Let's have a look on the BSC scan contract address of this token. Here is the contract address you can see, and balance and BNB value. And here is the contract creator at NTXN, and here is the token Dexi protocol. Here you can find the transactions. Here is the PooCoin chart of this token. You can find the live price here, and here you can see the total supply 500 million. Market capital is $2.8 million. PCV to Dexi BNB LP holding, you can see 80.32 BNB, and if you go down you can simply see the chart and transactions. You can buy it on the PancakeSwap. Simply have to click I understand, then click import, then you can send from BNB to Dexi. So if you like this token, you will get all the links of buy in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.